So a couple of days ago I was driving, coming back from the store, and the belt that powers the alternator and the power steering pump, as you can see, snapped. So okay, I'm going to replace this. Now, there's certain things on cars that you can do yourself, and this is a Subaru Outback 2.5 2002, and so I had a look, and you know, it seemed pretty easy to do, and so ordered a new belt, and I stripped this down the day that it happened, just to just have a look, and it was pretty easy to strip down. All you need is a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm and 12mm socket. And good thing about it, stripping it down beforehand, it saves you the whole time of watching the whole of this video. But anyway, there's literally all there is just to show you. There's this cover here, and there's this cover here. So this bolt goes in here, this nut goes on here. You've got the one bolt there. Alright, so once you take those off, and this, and then there's a bolt here, so you just loosen that, and basically this comes off. Once you've got that off, there's a tensioner here, but there's also a locking, you can't really see it, but there's a locking nut right here where my finger's pointing. So you loosen this off, and then loosen this, which then allows the alternator to move up and down. My belt was already broken, so I didn't have to. If you've got a worn belt, you would have to loosen that to get the old worn belt. If you look and you've got cracks in it. So I didn't need to do that because it was broken. I just showed it to you. So anyway, the new belt is here. And now we're gonna fit it. So basically, all I'm gonna do is just gonna drop the belt around the bottom pulley and put it in the grooves. And then I'm going to put it around the top two pulleys here. This one, which is on the alternator, and that is the power steering pump. And then using the ratchet and the 12mm socket, I'm going to put some tension on this. Just going to make sure that the belt is in the grooves on all the pulleys. Get some tension. Just gonna start it up just to see what it's like. I'm sure there's nothing there's gonna fall off. Seems to be okay. I'm gonna go a little bit tighter, I think. Alright, so once that is tightened, I'm then gonna tighten this. Which locks this, stops this from moving. And then so that's that. All right. Now we're going to put this on here. And using the 12 mil. I'm going to lock that. And using the 10 mil. So once you've got all these in, and then tighten this up. All right, let's give that a spin and see what happens. Awesome.